Welcome back to Auto Garage, the ultimate pit stop for car lovers who live and breathe speed, style, and pure American muscle. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because today, we're diving into something legendary, the rebirth of a true icon, the 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 429. It's been decades since the Boss 429 last roared across the roads, but Ford has done the unthinkable, bringing back one of the most powerful and feared Mustangs ever built. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of dominance. The 2026 Boss 429 fuses the raw attitude of the late 60s classic with the innovation and precision of modern engineering. Let's talk power, because that's where the legend begins. Under the hood sits a re-engineered 7.0-liter V8 beast, naturally aspirated and tuned for brutal performance. Ford calls it the Godzilla Evolution engine, and it pushes out a jaw-dropping 850 horsepower with 800 Newton-meters of torque. The sound alone is enough to make any car lover's heart race, deep, thunderous, and unapologetically aggressive. This monster pairs with a 6-speed manual transmission for purists, and for those who crave efficiency without losing control, there's an optional 10-speed automatic. Ford has kept the rear-wheel drive setup intact, ensuring that signature Mustang feel, raw, powerful, and slightly untamed. Now, let's talk design. The 2026 Boss 429 is sculpted to intimidate. It's wider, lower, and more aerodynamic than ever before. The front fascia features an enlarged black mesh grille with bold 429 badging, functional hood scoops, and aggressive LED headlights that give it that predatory stare. Massive 20-inch forged alloy wheels, flared fenders, and a subtle ducktail spoiler complete the muscular silhouette. Step inside, and the blend of heritage and technology takes center stage. You're greeted with leather-trimmed Recaro seats, digital performance gauges, and a 13.2-inch curved infotainment display powered by Ford's latest SWNC system. Every inch of the cabin screams performance, from the red stitching to the brushed aluminum finishes. Performance-wise, Ford claims a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.2 seconds and a top speed exceeding 200 miles per hour. With adaptive MagneRide suspension, carbon ceramic brakes, and an advanced traction control system, the Boss 429 doesn't just go fast, it grips, corners, and dominates with precision. The 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 429 isn't just a car reborn, it's a muscle legend redefined for a new generation. It celebrates everything that makes American performance cars great: power, personality, and pure adrenaline. So what do you think? Has Ford created the ultimate modern muscle machine? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the Boss 429 revival, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more legendary rides, only on Auto Garage.